Hey guys, welcome back to Paracord Planet. For this video, I just thought it'd be fun to take a look back at some of the most popular and most fun bracelet tutorials that we've done in the last year and a half. We recently hit 25,000 subscribers, and so for this summer we have some big things planned, but for now, just thought it'd be fun to take a look back. Alright, so first up we've got the 4-strand round braid. This one was a little bit complicated to make. It was a new concept for me at the time, but I think it turned out really well with the colors chosen and using coreless paracord instead of normal paracord. It also uses this quick release connector. Just think the whole thing came together really well. On the simpler end of things, we've got this paracord bracelet here with some Microkorg whipping on either end, and then just a simple carabiner to keep it all together. We call these the climber bracelets. We have that up on TikTok. And I know that you guys would murder me if I didn't feature at least one Cobra survival bracelet. So this one I had a lot of fun with. Used these new clasps that we got in our store at the time. We had this and an anchor. I just think they are really classic pieces that kind of harken back to the original time when paracord was first used back in the Second World War. I've also had fun incorporating other materials into paracord bracelets. So this one is very simple, other than the wood beads. It just uses some barrel knots. Thought it was a pretty elegant looking bracelet. Along the same lines, leather is really fun to use with paracord bracelets. This is a little bit more gothic style than I would usually wear, but had some fun making a pirate themed bracelet. So use those same wood beads, some metal skulls, and then wrapped leather. Then we had to do a Viking one too, celebrate my own heritage a little bit. We have some nice schmuckatelli beads on there, and also a Thor's hammer clasp. This one's very eye-catching, but you wouldn't catch me wearing this one. It's very thick, so not real practical to wear, but a really cool look. This video was really popular. We came up with that one just a couple weeks ago. Here's another more feminine looking bracelet. Made this for a Valentine's Day special. This one was really popular. A lot of you guys made it and put pictures on social media, and it was kind of fun to see that. This was a design I came up with myself. Thought it was a fun use of some metal hardware pieces. It's a very hefty bracelet, but it ends up looking pretty elegant as well. This one is actually not featured on our YouTube channel at all. It was on the Paracord Planet blog. This came out at the same time that the Infinity War movies came out. Thought it'd be fun to do a themed bracelet. So this is our Infinity bracelet. Got all the Infinity Stones. This one is also not from the YouTube channel. This is from our photo tutorials page on our website. But I just really like how hefty this one is. This one was made to celebrate the firefighters who saved lives and put out the fires during the 9/11 terrorist attack. Here is a NASA bracelet that we made to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the moon landing. And this is appropriate to show now because we are sending the first astronauts into space on a SpaceX rocket soon. Probably by the time you guys see this video, it will have happened if their launch window works on Saturday. This one was really fun to just get the lettering right. I found that the trilobite weave is really fun to make art on top of. A lot of possibilities there. One more for this video. This is a all Microkorg bracelet. Let's get the focus right there. This one is really fun, a little bit more intricate of a design, but I thought it looked like a nice finished piece of jewelry at the end. So this one is on my wrist for a long time. The clasp on this one was just some twisted cord, and it holds it very tightly. One of the better clasps without any hardware that we've done. We hope to do a video soon on our favorite overall paracord creations, so stay tuned for that. Let us know which ones were your favorites. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.